America's dream car. The one-of-a-kind Buick Riviera. Of course you'd like to give yourself that luxury. But you might be telling yourself, I've got to be practical. I've got to be reasonable. Okay, let's be reasonable for a few minutes and look at all the practical things you get on a Riviera besides luxury. Probably no other car in America is quite like the Riviera. On expressways, passing quickly, on narrow, winding roads, wherever you take your Riviera, you'll notice a command of the road. Even in these test track situations, Riviera proves its worth. One of the major reasons Riviera responds to the road with such excellence is a Buick pioneered